Hello and welcome to another video for mindful eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. Good morning. Today I'll be showing you how I do a healthy breakfast. This is how I do breakfast. Today I've just got some on the stove here. I've got some porridge oats and I'm using just water. I'm going to let it come lightly to the boil. Now obviously if you don't have any milk allergies, you can use normal milk. Or if you don't like milk at all, you can use almond milk. And obviously if you don't like any of those, you can use water. And I'm just going to let this come up to the boil here. As we can see just here, it's just now coming up to the boil now with the porridge oats. I'm just lightly stirring it. Once it's come to the boil, I am going to add some sugar. And then, this is a very quick video anyway, we're then going to add some raspberries and bananas. And that's basically it. As you know, at the minute, if you're based in the UK, we're facing a very cold, beginning of a very cold winter. That hasn't happened for a while. So I'm very surprised how cold it is. But here, as you can see, the porridge oats is now coming together there. If you want it quite thick, you can. If you want it a bit looser, you can. But this is the porridge oats here. And then in a few minutes, I'll show you the finished product. And welcome back. I'm just going to show you what I've done. So this is a very simple breakfast. This is the porridge oats with the raspberries and the honey. There's a little bit of sugar in there. You can add cinnamon if you want as well. It's totally up to you. And this is how I do breakfast. If you wanted to add some nuts in there, you most certainly can. You can add some cashew nuts. You can add some hazelnuts. It's totally down to you. What you could have done as well is actually blitzed the hazelnuts into the oats mixture as well. So it's totally up to you. So this is my take on this is how I do breakfast. I hope today's video was informative today, even though it was a short video. Please look after yourself if you're based in the UK. Please stay warm. Look after yourself if you are going through any issues with your health. Please take time to look after yourself. And as we draw into the Christmas holidays, I would advise everyone to reassess how they're looking after themselves, because obviously we tend to neglect ourselves around this time. So that's my take on this is how we do breakfast. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and have a good day.